We got plenty of food for everyone.
Hey, thanks for the ride.
Buddy, I'm home.
Phil, come to daddy.
So with our organic growth projections, you can see we hit a 4%. You can see here we have the positive profit margins here. Mike, got a lot of dishes to do. Gonna take care of those anytime soon? Here we have the living room, and you'll see. Mike, you ready? Hey Mike, have you by chance seen my toothbrush?
Because I want you. I want all of you. Forever. You and me. Every day. Will you do something for me? Michael. Just picture your life for me. 30 years from now, 40 years from now. What's it look like?
Okay, Michael, 6 a.m. Time for school.
Okay, one pick left. We'll take the rat.
Now, some of you may be wondering, how do I approach? Well, the answer is if you reach your approach, that you want to Mike!
Well, yeah, if you're down, we can watch some TV. Sawyer, is that Michael's homework again?
George K.
District 3, that's a 10-4. Okay, so the agenda for today is writing tickets. Good afternoon, James. What a guy, James. I tell you, he is as slick as they come. Oh, who is this? The new guy. Some festive music. Put your paws where I can see them. Okay, call it off. Have a good day, sir. Okay, I'm off to get cat food. You guys be good now. And they'll always be friends forever. Nice ride. What's it retail for? Okay, I'm off to school. Michael, forgot my coffee.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer.
Phil, welcome to the neighborhood. Can we sing you some Christmas carols? We'll take that as a yes. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.